So, a really strong builder is somebody that loves change and loves the challenge that change creates. Uh, and the qualities that you're looking for in that little person is a confidence to deal with the inevitable pushback that happens when we make changes, when we build, when we change uh, processes, systems, people, all that. And when we have somebody that is a builder that really is a change agent in a position for too long, they start, and a lot of times, they start changing for the sake of change, not necessarily because it's necessary. And it's interesting. What is their strongest trait in the early goings of their career or their tenure in a position can be their biggest downfalls if left too long. I'll be honest, I'm like that. I love change. I love driving change. And every once in a while, I get myself in a position in which I change something that didn't really need to be changed. I create more disruption than it ever created good. On the other side of this, when we have a maintainer, this person also needs to be confident and very good at their job, have high qualifications and so forth. Nothing taken away from it. This is not like one is better than the other. But a strong maintainer is somebody that drives their value in consistency and enhancement of current process. What I mean by that is, hey, maybe all the processes are good, the systems are right, but I now want to create a better dashboard, a better reporting. A maintainer is going to spend the time to look at what's being delivered and elevate it, but not change it. There's a big difference between elevation and change, or managing a optimization of a current system or process versus changing a current system or process. And the problem with a maintainer that comes in too early into the process has a lot to do with what they will focus on typically. Now, even a maintainer, if they come into a situation that is really ugly, they'll change. They'll make changes. Don't get me wrong. But if they come into a situation which the systems are okay, and now they just need to get a little bit more, they're not going to make big change or big waves. They're just going to they're just going to continue to enhance. And what they may miss is an opportunity to truly make a huge impact in how finance operations work. So all this being said is a builder and a maintainer are both highly qualified, highly intelligent people that know their job. Just one appreciates an aspect of the job more than the other one.